Did you see that? That's the sun. It's like so exciting. We got sun, so we can get the solar charged up. So I am gonna clean off the panels and let it soak up any sunshine it can, because it has been a very rough winter. All right, sun's shining. That's exciting. So hopefully we can get some solar going. It's not charging yet, but let's cross our fingers. Yay! Sunshine! It's pretty exciting. I'm gonna give you guys one more view of it just because it's so exciting.
All right, good morning, guys. Jen's got a full day of work today, so I'm gonna put a hurting on this bathroom. The tiles had a couple days to sit, dry out. The sealers had a day or two to dry out, and I'm gonna get everything prepped and grout this tile, and then I'm gonna seal the concrete. The reason I'm gonna seal the concrete again is because not confident in that stuff I put on there. It's made for stone, but it didn't do much to the concrete board. But I got lots of different stuff I'm going to do. I'm going to try to get some electrical done. I fiddled last night for an hour or two and got some outlets in, wired in. So I need electrical stuff from town, and I need just bathroom stuff in general. So I won't bore you with that. But yeah, I'm going to go mix up some grout, and I'll see you in here in a minute.
Right now it's all falling apart. Right now you don't know where to start. Right now the walls are caving in. Right now you don't know where to begin. Right now you're searching high and low. And right now you don't know where to go. Right now you hear the thunder roar. Right now it feels like you lost the war. Call on me, I'll hold you when you cry. Call on me.
All right, guys, there you go. There's the grout. It's wiped down real good. I ran out of water, so I'm gonna let it dry and then hit it with the sponge with nice, fresh, clean water because there's a little bit of a haze on it. Hopefully that all wipes off. But yeah, I like it. Looks good. A few little spots, you know, here and there if you want to get nitpicky, but I think it looks pretty good. Check it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna head to town, get a bunch of goodies, let that dry for probably be 2 or 3 hours at least because I got a lot of stuff to look at. And then maybe, I'm sure that has to dry for 24 hours before I do anything to it, but at least maybe I can put plastic over it and then seal these walls, and then take everything off and let it all dry together instead of waiting an extra whole day. So let's head to town. You'll probably stay here with Jenny. She can teach you how to do math.
Alright guys, I have like a 20-minute break in between some classes. So I am going to try to make a snowman. Another one again, since my first one failed and Jason's first one looks pretty good. So I'm going to try to make another one. Let's see how it works. I don't know if this is better snow or not. Come on, T. It's still not good snow. It's still not good snow, guys. How is this not good snow? What? What? You want to play in the snow? Maybe. Too dry. Oh well. I tried. Guess just not meant to be for me to make a snowman. It's alright.
Alright guys, finished wiping down the tile. I'll show you that once I get everything else done, because I covered it up so I don't get this new sealer. I went to the big box store and picked up a different type of sealer. This is actually, John gave me this because he had this left over from when he did his. Hydroflex waterproofing crack isolation membrane. Hydroflex. So I'm going to put that on all the concrete board. And I bought another gallon of it, but I'm going to return it if, I don't know if it'll be enough. If it's enough, great. I can take my $70 jug of stuff back. If not, if I have to use it, at least I have it. Yeah, let's seal this up. John said this stuff was really thick, so he suggested using these little actually he said foam. I thought these were foam. They're not. Well, we'll try these. Alright guys, it's supposed to dry for an hour and get kind of like clearish. I think lose its purplish a little bit. I got a little bit left, so once it dries for an hour, it says to do another coat, but I only have enough to do like a little bit, so I'm probably just do the ceiling and down toward the bottom till it's gone. So while I'm doing that, waiting for that to dry, I'm going to finish the electrical. I don't have it finished in the bathroom. Like my main electrical box is on the other side of the wall here, in the wall. So I'm thinking about coming down through the floor, going through the floor joists, and just popping it up right here. And then all my switches right here are going to be for the fan and the light in there. And then we're going to have one light right here by the window on this little flat wall, I think. And then it's going to feed all the outlets. None of this stuff's hydraulic, a kitchen, so anything we put in here is going to be lights and silly stuff. So just light bulbs, basically. And charging phones. So hang out with me for a few minutes. I didn't show you the electrical yesterday because it's not really that exciting, but
Transport neighbors looking to buy and barter goods into the night of April. Bus, TV, in part to mark the troubling anniversary. 10 years ago last month, Venice.
all right, guys, that's it for the night. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:30. So I'm gonna call it a night. Get a few things.
Good night.
That's it, guys. We're done for the night.
Yeah.
Jenny had a long day. She's worked like 12 hours. So
A little longer than that.
13 hours. So
Jason,
we're excited.
Jason makes me work to eat my food.
Yep.
I can't eat unless I work 13
Yeah,
hours a day.
Gotta earn your way in the world, you know. You can't just all be YouTube stars like me.
They come to see me.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us during this video. We'll get more progress for you on the next one. We appreciate ya. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. So
It's all good stuff.
yeah, and best wishes.